Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect Ton wallet from Fragment store in TonKeeper. So first to do that, you have to tap at TonKeeper app on your iPhone, the one which has been launched. Then tap at the browsers, then you scroll all the way down and tap on Fragment store. You can see this is it, Fragment. Then tap at it, then give a few more minutes for the page to load, and this is your wallet right here. You can see that your TonKeeper wallet is linked to this Fragment store for purchase. Then you tap at this three-dot icon right here to disconnect your TonKeeper from this particular store. You tap at this three dot, then tap at disconnect. You can see from here, you can see your wallet address, the address that link your TonKeeper wallet to this particular store has been removed. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.